Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a carousel in Adobe XD. We'll begin by setting up your project. First, create a new artboard, perhaps 1200 by 800 pixels, to house your carousel. Then, define the size for each individual carousel item, maybe 300 by 200 pixels. Finally, duplicate your initial artboard to create the different states for your interactive carousel. It's a straightforward process to get started. Now, let's focus on designing the individual elements of your carousel. Within each duplicated artboard, craft your unique carousel items. Incorporate engaging images, clear text, and interesting shapes to make each slide stand out. Remember to maintain consistent spacing and alignment across all your elements. This ensures a professional and polished look, making your carousel both functional and visually appealing for users. Next, we'll bring your carousel to life by adding interactions. Switch over to prototype mode in Adobe XD. Here, you'll link your artboards, defining how users move between carousel items. You can use drag gestures for a swipeable experience or tap triggers for navigation buttons. Crucially, set the transition type to auto-animate to ensure smooth, fluid visual effects between each slide. This makes the user experience delightful. Finally, it's time to test and refine your carousel. Use the preview function to thoroughly check its functionality and overall flow. Pay attention to the timing and easing settings of your transitions. Fine-tuning these can significantly enhance the user experience. Once you're happy, share your interactive prototype with others to gather valuable feedback. This iterative process helps you create a truly polished and effective carousel design.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.